Hi, I'm Carl Johnson, and I just want to tell you a little about knives. When you get in the kitchen, the knife depends on the job. Every knife that you have has a different meaning. Using a knife, you have to understand that the knife that you use must be commensurate with the thing you're doing. If you're doing something small, you need to use a small knife. If you're doing a larger thing, you need to use a larger knife. This is a paring knife. This is also a paring knife. This is a boning knife. This is a boning knife. This is a chef's knife. This is a santoku. This is what you use to cut bread, a bread knife. This is a nakiri. Again, I have two santokus. One is a little larger than the other. The santoku actually does more. You can use the santoku as a veggie knife. You can use the santoku for so many things. It is probably your most versatile knife.